Hello, my name is Colin Cortez, and I'm a control systems engineer here at QDS Incorporated. We are a systems integrator company, so we mainly just help other people have an easier time doing their jobs, essentially. We work in manufacturing, petrochemical, food and beverage, pulp and paper, wastewater, cement, and plastics, and there's many, many more, but those are the main ones we do. Well, we've been in business for over 25 years, and we have a lot of experience in industrial automation and municipal automation. So we're always looking for new ways to serve our customers, but pretty much our guiding principle is if it's not convenient, they're not going to want it, the customer. So if it's integrating old systems to newer, upgrading old systems to the newest ones, if someone has an expansion and they want to make it work with what they have, or people just looking for ways to make their process more efficient. They may have heard of something that they think could be beneficial and they want to explore that options with us. We can come out and kind of do an audit and see if we can help them in a way. But I would just say convenience is our biggest goal, to make their job easier, to be able to help them in their industry more efficiently and effectively. In a sea of companies offering systems integration, QDS offers some unique advantages. As a registered professional engineering firm, we're capable of designing and building integrated control systems. And we set ourselves apart of others because we also have a UL certified panel shop, so we can build all of our own panels in-house, as well as we can build panels for other contractors. We subcontract. We can also be a general contractor. So we're very flexible with that because we are what we call a design and build shop. Rockwell is a name that customers know and trust. I mean, it's synonymous with quality and with reliability, which is what our customers want. So our partnership with Rockwell helps us deliver the systems, products, and services that they ask for.